Hello everybody, here's an update on the vanilla. It's just been sitting there in the back, nice and quiet. It's got a beautiful rich color. It just looks awesome. It does kind of appear to have, let me see if I can put a light on for you. There we go. Doesn't that look gorgeous? Now it does, and you can't see it on here, I don't think, because I can't see it on my screen, but it looks like there's a little bit of film on the bottom, which is probably seeds, because I did not shake these, remember. They've just been sitting, but I figure they're going to get kind of jiggled around when I take the, what do you call it, paper out of there. And I think I'm just going to keep the same lids on there, just like that. Remember, 2 of these are gifts for a friend of mine. She's a big baker. And then 2 are for me. Cheapest vanilla ever. So I have not tasted it yet either, and I'm actually looking forward to it. So maybe I'll make something with it. But that's what they look like. No shaking, no nothing. And I'm not sure, because they're cut in half, like how many times you'd be able to refresh it. So that's something I'll kind of keep updated. Now let's go check out the lemons and the limes. I am due for an update on them. Today is December 1st. Okay, here is the lemons. Let me pop a different light on here. The lemons all look really good. November 8th, I have it written down right there. It's when I pack these up. Here's the limes. I did use 1 lime. Now one's looking, looks like the skin's going a little bad, so I might need to use that in some, use that up in a dish. I just used a lime the other day. Again, same date, November 8th. But this is keeping them pretty darn fresh. So far, so good. And we'll do another update maybe towards the end of December. Let's see how they're doing. I haven't done a whole lot of baking. It's been kind of warm in Minnesota, so it's just not baking time right now. So, that's the update. Thanks for watching.